Right, for the midterm and for the final, we're going to be doing free studies. So we're giving you a chance to explore further using your own creativity, come up with a unique design, abstract art, exploring what we've learned, the concepts that we've been working with. So far, there's been 5 things: color interaction, color and spatial relationships, complement mixing, saturation, and color schemes. All right, so you have 4 things. You don't have to make them all different, but I'm going to choose to do that. If you're doing saturation studies, that would be, you could do one saturated more and one saturated less, and they would be the same design. That would take up 2 of your sketches if you chose to do that one. But I'm interested in doing a design with, personally, me, for what I'm going to do for this video. I'm interested in doing complement mixing for sure, and color interaction for sure, and then I'll figure out what I'm doing for the other 2. Maybe color, yeah, I'll do color and spatial relationships, and then I'll think about the last one. All right, so I think I'm doing 4 different things. I'm going to use 4x6 cards. These are also postcards, so I was thinking it might be fun I could use them in the mail or something afterwards. But you can also just make 4x6 rectangles in your sketchbook, and that's fine for the sketches. And then we're going to choose the best one for the final or for the midterm. In this case, it's the midterm, what we're doing right now. But I'll probably repeat this video for the final. Well, I don't know. There's going to be other concepts that we can do for the final, so maybe I'll do another video for the final. All right. So I'm going to do the complement mixing first. And I'm just going to improvise a design for that. So I already have blue on my palette. So I'm going to get some orange going. I'll just use the warm red. My warm red is very orange. So complement mixing, it's showing different, it's not just straight orange and straight blue. We're showing different levels of saturation based on mixing the complements. I'm going to start off with straight orange, but it should be intentional rather than just accidental, just to be clear. Let me do a vertical. Okay. So I'm starting with saturated, or the most saturated. All right, and I'm gonna start desaturating my orange. So I added some blue. And I'm gonna want one more level of saturation at least. So that's 2 levels. So let's do 3 or more levels of saturation for the complement mixing. So I'm gonna go even more desaturated. And then eventually it might start going the other direction as far as go towards blue, which would be okay because I just need to get the 3 levels of the orange or more. This still looks like it could be orange that's muted, like a chromatic gray orange. You can also use white in all of this. I think I'll add a little bit of white. So now this is heading into the blue territory. It just crossed over, I think. Maybe not yet. Or maybe it's right in between. Yeah. What do I want over here? I think I want a gray blue over here. So I'm gonna keep going with this direction I've been going. I'll go more blue with my chromatic gray. Now it's in the blue world. That looks cool. Okay. Okay, and what else do I want? So I only have 2 levels of blue, so I need another level of blue, right? So I'm gonna get more blue, but I'm gonna do it less white this time. So I've got blue over here, and I want to mute it with some of this. See if it stays blue or still looking blue, or if it's something completely different. I mean, if it's a dark brown, that might be cool too. Maybe I'll put it over here. Oh, that looks similar to that, but just darker. Kind of a brown, yeah. This is a chromatic gray too, just darker. I want to get more blue in there. Okay, so that's some strong contrast that I just introduced. I'm gonna get rid of all the white, by the way, but this strong contrast feels great. I'm gonna take the card away from that other dark spot. I think I feel like I could use another place with this dark. Maybe I'll just bring a line down like that. Alright, so that's good. And then I'll put it like a dot. Or do I want that dark? I want more prismatic blue there, I think. Or orange. I'm gonna do one more line of this dark up here. Okay, I like that design. And now I'm gonna get more prismatic blue. Out of the tube. I still have the original brush that I was doing the prismatic blue to blue with. Touch of water. Okay, this blue is really popping for me. I really like how it's really the prismatic of it against the muted orange. It looks really great. I feel like I want another something like that somewhere else. I think I have kind of a blank spot here, so I'll try it here. Oh yeah, I like that. Oops, I don't like that shape I just made. Okay, that's all right. Okay, and then I want some of that right here. So working intuitively to a degree, you know, I sketched out a basic plan with pencil. That means I could have changed my mind if I wanted to, so it's nice to have that option. I didn't. And then I'm also giving myself the ability or the agency or the freedom to be able to make small adjustments to what I had originally had with the pencil. That's okay. But having the plan ahead of time, having things kind of separated out is good. I'm not like having random mixing that's happening by accident so much. I mean, things are getting overlapped a little bit here and there, but not to the point of things looking like I can't tell, make heads or tails about what's happening. So I have a little blank spot here, so I'm gonna bring this over. Good. All right, so I'm pretty happy with this. And I will probably be done with sketch number 1.